morning, everybody. Today we're gonna learn more about slicing. We talk about the list, and today is lesson number 7. Let's look at this function here. Slice me, and we're gonna run it, and I can explain it. All right. We create a list Python, right? And you can print the list. When you print it out, it's gonna look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One character at a time on the list. Okay. Now we're gonna slicing by start with the position number 3 and adding an AR, which is insert an NI in the position number 3 on the list. Again, like I mentioned last time, the list start with 0, so 0, 1, 2, that's third position. So you're gonna insert this position. Actually is replace it. So this are gone. So you only have this 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. When you print it out, it's gonna look like this. And the next one we're gonna create a list 1 and 5. Okay. I use this list function and with a bracket, so you create a list function, a list value in here in a list. So this is very nicely done without to assign anything. It's automatically created, and when you print it, it's gonna be like this. Now you're gonna insert again. I think yes, insert the value from position number 2 with this value. Okay, so you're gonna print this and insert the rest. And in this case, it doesn't remove number 5 because you start with the with this command 1 semicolon and 1. So if you put semicolon without the length you want to do it, it's going to replace it. So this is a trick. Okay, when you print it out, it's going to look like that. Now the last one, you're going to empty it, right? Let me see. You're going to replace it from the position number 4, actually from 1, right? So you start with 1, and the position you're leaving it is this thing going to be removed. 1, 2, 3 going to be gone, and you're going to left with this 3 in here. So with an empty blanket here is will replace it. Okay. So this is useful to use it in here. Okay, the next one we're gonna learn is more slides. So let's go to the next one. Gonna run it. Okay, this method you list it, you're gonna print the list like that. You command append, you can append a tree, so you append right here. Okay, and you print it like that. Now you're gonna count it. Count. You said 2. Oh, it's gonna find out count the occurring number 3. So number 3, you have two number 3, so you're gonna print 2. Okay. Now you have what you assign a list with an X, with a Y, this value, and then you can extend it. Extend command add a multiple value to a list of X. Therefore, X is extended, right? So you have an X value of this. Now you have value of Z. Now you're going to extend the value, extend X with the value of Z. So when you do that, the x gonna have this plus the the z value here. Okay, when you print it, look at that, and you select the length of x which is equal to 3 and insert the value z to the x list. And by this command, you use the length of the x which is equal to z. So you're gonna, it's come out gonna be like this, and you can add the value of z 1, 2, 3 and insert it. Okay, insert into it, so you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 2 at the end. Okay, now go to the next one. You're gonna run it, and I will show you. Okay, the Yang is assigned a list with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Now you're gonna find return the index function is return the value of the list, the index value in the list of Peter. So where's Peter? Peter is located at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna print 4. Okay. Now you wanna insert the position is 0 with value of mom. So when you print it, it's gonna go like this. You insert a mom in front of pad. Okay. And the next one, you're gonna insert the function with the length of Yang. So the length of Yang is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna find out that at the end of length of the list, you can insert a dummy in there. So right here, insert is gonna be like that. Okay, the pop function, when you pop it up, that means it remove the dummy at the end. Okay, the record at the end is going to be removed. So when you print it out, it's going to be like that. Okay. Now, when you append it, append and pop at the same time, nothing happened. You know, you pop and then you append it. This means nothing happened. Okay. When you print it, it's nothing. Okay. So this that, and the next one we should look at it is the last one. We're gonna run it. We can look at it. This one here, you do the same thing. You assign the value of this to a Yang. You're going to print a Yang, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 like this, right? The remove function, you remove Peter. Okay, when you print it, Peter is gone, right? You have 2 Peter in here, right? Basically. So what the remove function is going to remove the first occurrence of Peter. So when you print it out, this one's gone. You only have 1 Peter left in here. Okay. The revert function is revert the list, right? So from used to be pad, now Peter is in here, so in the reverse order, so Peter, lady, and so on and so forth. When you bring it out, it can be look like that. That's the revert function. And the other function that you use is called reverse with the ed at the end. The reverse function return an iterator, not a list. Okay, this one used only for 1 character at a time. This one used for a list with the value or a string. Okay, so that's it. This concludes the lesson for today, and I will on lesson 8 we're going to talk about sorting. Okay, bye.